Dear valued Atomstack community, I hope this letter finds you in good health and high spirits.
I'm Jason Lee, CEO of Atomstack. I'm writing to express my sincere gratitude to all our users who have supported us throughout our journey.
De la înființarea noastră, în 2020, Atomstack a atins etape semnificative în ultimii 5 ani. Încă mi-amintesc viu momentul în care prima noastră mașină de gravat cu laser a prins viață. Un moment care a marcat începutul căutării noastre comune de inovație și creativitate.
Desde la serie A inicial hasta las máquinas de chasis de tercera generación que se lanzarán pronto, cada iteración refleja nuestro compromiso con la eficiencia, la fiabilidad y la precisión. El éxito de estos productos ha sido posible gracias al apoyo y a la confianza de nuestra comunidad. Tu implicación ha sido fundamental para impulsar el crecimiento continuo e innovación en Atomstack.
Over the past 5 years, we have adhered to our philosophy of enabling more efficient creativity and delivering cost-effective solutions. Our product portfolio has expanded from laser engravers to marking machines, CNC engravers, and a comprehensive ecosystem of accessories. Each product is designed with careful attention to enhancing the user experience and supporting creators in achieving their goals.
We also recognize that the advanced hardware must be complemented by intelligent software. The Atomstack software platform delivers an all-scenario, intelligent, creative experience, enabling users to bring ideas to life with ease and precision. It serves not only as a control tool, but also as a foundation for our commitment to facilitating creative work through technology.
As CEO, I remain committed to listening to our community. Feedback from creators drive our ongoing efforts to improve product performance, stability, and software functionality. Our goal is to provide a reliable, efficient, and professional platforms for all users. During this season of gratitude, I would like to thank you once again for your trust, support, and dedication. Your engagement has been essential to our growth and motivates us to continue advancing our mission. We look forward to exploring future innovations together and achieving greater creative accomplishments in the years to come. Warm regards,
Jason Lee, CEO de Atomstack.